Welcome to Nanotechnology, exploring the world of infinitely small. Today's highlight is a simple method for the synthesizing of gold nanoparticles. In the first step, you need to prepare two stock solutions. First, sodium citrate with the concentration of 10 milligram per milliliter, and also sodium tetrachloroaurate with the concentration of 0.125 molar. Subsequently, 420 microliter of sodium tetrachloroaurate was added to 94.6 milliliter of the ionized water, and the solution was agitated and heated to 90 degrees. When the required temperature was achieved, 5 milliliter of sodium citrate was quickly added. Agitation and heating at 90 degrees were performed for 20 minutes. The color of suspension changed from light yellow to gray and then to red, indicating the formation of gold nanoparticles. The gold nanoparticle suspension was then slowly cooled at room temperature and maintained at 4 degrees. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Nanotechnology for more exciting content and nanoscience and cutting-edge innovations. See you in the next video.